Hi, this is Connie. Today we're going to review one of our kitchen tips and hacks that creates an easy, fantastic, and tasty cheese sauce that never fails.
And hi, this is Vince. Welcome to our channel, A Quick Recipe.
This technique is really versatile and can be used as the base in any situation that calls for a cheese-based sauce.
From broccoli to bread dip, it allows a cheese sauce to be perfect without ever becoming grainy or curdling.
We'll start by adding 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to 10 ounces of very cold water in a small saucepan, and mix it thoroughly. Make sure that the cornstarch is completely dissolved with no lumps. Then warm the cornstarch mixture under low-medium temp. At first it will take a little time for the cornstarch to start to proof up to where we need it. But continue to stir until the cornstarch takes on a milky and gooey-like consistency. The technical term for this level of thickness is called a slurry. Once it reaches the consistency that we want, we'll allow it to cool a bit. That'll give us time to do some of the prepping, like shredding the cheese and measuring the other ingredients. We're adding 8 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar cheese and 8 ounces of shredded gouda cheese. The blend of the sharp cheddar, with the creamy and pungent meltiness character of the gouda made for a very delicious blend of flavors. Now add kosher salt and coarse black pepper to taste. Then 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And finally the cornstarch slurry, our secret technique that replaces the need for making a roux, or having to be careful not to scald the milk in making the cheese sauce, the conventional way. Like we said earlier, this cornstarch slurry technique can be used anytime you're prepping a cheese sauce. It's foolproof. To help the mixing, and to create the smooth cheesiness, we're adding 3/4 cup of warm water. Since we're making a sauce for mac and cheese, we're using the hot water from cooking the macaroni. We're using a food processor rather than a stand or hand blender, because the processor allows a larger batch like this without a mess, but a hand blender will give you a much smoother texture than the processor. Now we're joining the sauce and the macaroni for this mac and cheese recipe. As you can see, the sauce has thickened up, so we're adding some more warm water to help fully blend the cheese sauce with the mac. Continue to mix the ingredients together until they become the ultimate cheesiness. Want to see our next new recipe? Click the subscribe button.
And also please give us a like. It generates revenue to support the channel.
Here is the list of ingredients for this easy, tasty and foolproof cheese sauce. The first ingredient is 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 1/4 cups of very cold water, that's 10 fluid ounces. Approximately 1 1/2 cups of warm water. 3 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. 3 cups of shredded gouda cheese. And 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Along with enough kosher salt, plus coarse black pepper, to season to taste.
If you want the hard copy of these ingredients with directions, the link to download it is in the Show More section.
Bon appetit! Here are a few more tips and recipes that you may find interesting. Also, check out our website, aquickrecipe.com, for more interesting cooking ideas.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on our YouTube channel, A Quick Recipe.